G'day, Mac Daddy, Camper Training. Today we take you to Crookwell in New South Wales, and there's two choices for your caravan or camper trailer stay. You can either stay at the Crookwell Caravan Park or the Crookwell Showgrounds. At the Crookwell Caravan Park you have a full kitchen and dining area. Well-defined, clean sites. It's also a dog-friendly park. Within the concrete slabs you'll find some steel hooks where you can tie your ropes or annex down to. Several bins, and we have wind and solar powered drying zones. And on the left we have the dump point. You have laundry facilities, toilet shower facilities, the Crookwell Showground camping area is a bit further from the centre of town. Whilst there are powered and unpowered sites, toilet facilities and coin-operated shower facilities, there are no kitchen or laundry facilities at this venue, and the parking camping area is not as well maintained. There are several good cafes in this town. There's a good supermarket. If you want to know what's to see and do in this area, just visit the Crookwell Visitor Centre down near the Caravan Park. So what type of camping do you like? Caravan Park, Showground, free camp? Just let us know in the comments below.